I opened up the spa and saw that it was running, so to clean the filters, it needs to be off. So I'm gonna walk over here and turn it off. Here is my electric for the spa, and I'm gonna go ahead and flip it off. Now you can see it's no longer running, it's just windy outside. So now, see that there's these boxes here. What you do is you just grab it, slide it up. I usually just set it to the side here. And then inside, I'll notice there's this tray and then the filters I'm going to take out. So now, usually what I'll do is pull this out and try to get it out of it. It's inside here, but unscrew it counterclockwise. And when it's loose, pull it up and out. And I just usually set it to the side. And then right here, you have to be ready to catch the junk. Some random stuff in there. So I repeated the process and these filters. As you can see, these two much dirtier than this. So you just counterclockwise pull it up and out, and then use your filter to clear out the junk. When you have stuff on this, I usually just take it and I just bang it. So it's clean. So right now, here's what we got. Alright, so we got this filter. Gently right in there. And you can see there's these grooves. So it goes on top of the grooves. And then you want this to be this direction. As you can see, there's that part slides. And now it's in. We'll just repeat for these other two. When they're on, you want to make sure they're all the way down and they're even, because at one point, this one was like that. And of course, that's not right. It needs to go all the way down. So you just have to kind of wiggle it a little bit. So now they're even. And then next, turn it back on. Close it. Visualizing. Come back on. That one. And this one too. As you can see, it's in priming mode. I'm gonna turn around so I can see it. I'm gonna turn on jets. So it's moving, the water's moving.